Drones are an eco-friendly mode of transportation that offers convenient benefits. But on the other hand, they are also used as weapons of war, illustrating their dual nature. I first encountered drones while searching for a hobby to enjoy outdoors during the COVID-19 pandemic. At first, I was afraid that my lack of skill in controlling drones might cause damage. To overcome my fear, I studied the relevant regulations and obtained the Class 1 drone license. After that, I practiced flying drones in various environments and even felt motivated to pursue a certification as a drone instructor. To earn this certification, I need to hold the Class 1 license, have at least 100 hours of flying experiences, complete a 3-day group training course, and pass a written exam. I successfully passed the exam and I'm now eagerly waiting for my certification to arrive by mail.